Alright, we are back. We're going to put Firestorm on this building. So I need one of these. And one of these I'm going to do one underneath. And one underneath. And then I'm going to put these ones up here like this. Another one right here like that. Another one right here like that. There we go. Okay. Then I need to put these two things in, and I want to make sure I'm doing this correctly. So that goes like that. And then this one goes the same. Alright, knock it off. Okay, so that's how that works. Just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to take this piece and this piece, and I'm going to put them straight like that. So this is going to hold something that makes her look like she's flying. I've got one of these. And then that one. Then I need to put this here and this here like that, and then this goes. Am I missing something? Yes, I am. Okay. No, I got it. Okay. All right, just like that. And then this is going to have one more of these like this. Huh. That's weird. But I'll keep going. Because I need that, and I need that. And yeah, like that. Okay, not a problem. We just put it back together like so. And now we have two of these things like this. And then this is going to go like that. Perfect. Just let's straighten this up a little bit. There we go. Just like that. Huh? Pretty cool. You'll see it. And this is going to go on the one side. And then I'm going to put this down. Oh shoot, you know what I need to do before I do that? I need to put this like this, that like that. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Let's put this down for a minute. And then I need, these are going to go underneath. Just like this. And then this is going to sit like that. So see how that sits in there? And then this is going to sit like that. And if I have to, I'll let it fall apart because I need this to go in there like that. I need to straighten this out a little bit. Okay, and then this is going to go back on here like that. Okay. She, star bar, is going to sit like that. And if you can see, when I hold this all the way out here, it looks like she's flying. So, I'm going to check this one more time. I'll let you look at it for a minute while I do this. Okay. That's the correct way to do that. Now I'm going to take this and bring it back over here because I need to show you where this thing is going to go. Now, I'm going to put this over to the side. And there's this little thing on the back here that you just snap into. And when you snap it in there, we're going to have her face right in the camera. Okay, so I will let you see where I snap that in, if I can get it in there. So see where this joint was right here. And it just snaps in there. And then from a distance, it actually makes it look like she's flying away from the thing without that. Okay? So I'm going to put it on the building and I'll show you it in a minute. And we are on to the next video. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.